Okay, newest addition to the inventory is a 2014 Silverado double cab. It 4.3 automatic 4x4. It's considered the work truck edition. Thing's been through the ringer. A lot of damage on it. We do have a hood, set of hood hinges, and you got both headlight assemblies. As you can see with the black trim on both of them. Grill's no good, bumper's no good. Okay, do got a radiator support. Okay, there's your motor, 4.3 automatic. Okay, you got radiation, you got the fans. There's your cooler, there's your radiator bottle. Master booster. Computers all there. Okay, cow screen. We do have the wiper arms. Window's no good. Right side mirror is no good. We got a right front door on a work truck. Okay, power window, power locks. Get the right rear door, same thing. Power window, power locks. As you can see, white in color. Right side mirror is no good. The bed's no good. We got 5 wheels. These are 17 by 8s, silver, 6 lug, single wheel, with the center caps on the 4 of them. Of course, nothing being on the spare. You got the third brake light up there with the cargo lights. Okay, rear window's blowing out, as you can see. Bed's no good. Tail lights are no good. We do have the tailgate handle there is good, black texture. Got the hitch down there. Rear bump, as you can see, is no good. Gate's no good. Bed's no good. Bed, and here's where the major damage is, right here. Okay, go down the right side. I did put in for the left rear regulator for a check. Okay, you got suspensions in this thing, left and right, upper, lower, spindle, rotor caliper strut. This is the cast iron model. Okay, the rear is 373 with the ABS. You got the leaf springs are the 2-leaf with the helper. Okay, rear seat, gray vinyl. Okay, this is the fold down style. Left side seat, this trunk is no good. We do have the right side seat with the airbag. Okay, it's like a bucket style. There's your centerpiece, which is also good. Okay. Window switches. Like I said, this is the double cab. Here's your headlight. Okay, automatic headlights with the dimmer. Steering column is tilt delay. It's got the tow button. Alrighty, let's put the key on. There's your column. Trying to get a little bit of, can't see it, but the cluster works. Everything works on a cluster, but the cover's broke. We'll get it out. We'll see what the deal is. There's your radio, regular AM, FM, heater controls, 4-wheel drive shifter. Okay. Nothing else inside the truck is any good. You do have the airbags all around. You got the driver's side, as you can see. There's your passenger side airbag. You do got roof bags. Okay, I put in the left side seat bag. And pretty much that's it on this truck. Okay, again, we have a, matter of fact, let me bring you onto this side here. We're gonna look at the ID codes that's inside the truck. There it is right there. Let's wait for this focus. There you go. That's the ID codes inside the truck. Okay. And again, that's it. So this here is a 2014 Chevy Silverado work truck edition. It's a 1500 4.3 automatic 4x4. Hit down the left side, cab's all rotted, as you can see from underneath. Bed's no good. Truck's hurting all the way around. Basically only got 2 right side doors with some little dingle dangles in them. And we do have the both headlight assemblies, left and right. The work truck edition, like I said before, with the black trim. And you got a motor, training, transfer case, front and rear 373s. Okay, interior, got a right side seat and a rear seat. Exterior paint code on this truck is GAZ. Interior trim code on this truck is H2Q. So if you need anything for this here, you can give us a call at 888-748-5924. From old Larry Curly. Any one of us will give you a hand with the parts for this joker. If we got something you need. We're here from Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday we're here from 8 to 3. If you can't get us during business hours, you can get us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. Well, that's it. We're done. We're caught up. Let's wait for the next batch. Ciao.